Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Dodge Charger. This Dodge is powered by rear-wheel drive Hemi V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 83,931 miles. Rev up your drive with this sleek 2016 Dodge Charger. Experience powerful performance, stylish design, and modern features, perfect for thrill seekers and everyday adventurers alike. Don't miss out on this unbeatable deal. Schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned Charger comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Dodge Charger is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.